So, hi guys! Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-calculate ang ating calories per day. So, ang result nito guys is your maintenance calories per day. And dito dapat alam nyo na yung mga informations nyo and gaano kataas yung activity rate nyo. So, nandun naman yun. Makikita nyo naman dito sa screen. So, paalala lang po, hindi po ako professional coach and this is only a video to guide dun sa mga taong wala pong budget para po mag-coach or they're also doing their own research. So, disclaimer lang po guys, this is only a guide. This is only a help. So, you're still free to consult a professional coach. You can also ask any coaches na license and you can also do your own research guys. So, this is only a guide. So, eto guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gagawin. So, sinearch ko lang yung calorie calculator and marami dyan. Pero ang gagamitin natin is yung calorie.net kasi yan yung pinaka-common. And after you put your details like your age, gender, height, and weight, and dapat alam nyo kung gaano kayo ka-active, ilang days kayo nag-workout, kung mas active ka kasi active yung work mo, dapat alam mo rin yan. So, kailangan nyo ilagay yung mga details nyo dito, and after nyo ilagay yung details nyo, information nyo, i-click nyo lang yung calculate. Kapag once na na-click nyo na yung calculate, lalabas na yung calorie maintenance nyo per day. So, just do your own research kung magka-cut kayo or mag-lean bulk kayo or just consult a professional coach. And guys, maraming information dito sa app na to or sa website na to. I suggest you go through everything of them kasi sobrang helpful talaga. Especially if wala kang coach or you're just doing your own research. So, trinay ko rin guys kung paano natin malalaman yung body fats natin. So, meron din yan dito guys. Ayan, body fat calculate. So, para sa male, kailangan ng age, height, weight, neck, and waist. Tapos, kapag nalagay nyo na yung mga details nyo, kagaya ng in-example ko sa screen, ipipindutin nyo lang yung calculate and then lalabas na yung result kung ilang body fats yung meron ka. And para din naman sa female, naglagay din ako ng example dito, age, height, weight, neck, waist, and hips. So, ganun din, pipindutan nyo lang din ulit yung calculate and then lalabas ulit yung resulta sa body fat percentage natin. So, I suggest talaga guys, you can go through with all of this kasi maraming information dyan sa baba na sobra-sobra talagang makakatulong sa inyo. And also guys, do your own research. Marami din namang calorie calculator. Pwede din namang hindi ito yung gamitin nyo. Pero this is only my example. I hope guys nakatulong ako.